Hello there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my channel. Today I am so beyond excited to be sharing an unboxing with you. I have a Chic Sparrow box that contains some unreleased goodies in it, and I just feel so honored to be sharing this with you. I want to jump right into it because I can't contain my excitement any longer. I went ahead and just found where the tape was, slid it open so that we could jump right into it. So, are you ready? Let's get started. I am so excited. Okay, I have no idea what is in here. Oh, look at the cute branding on the box. Look at that, homemade with love. Yes, they have an amazing line of products, and it's all handmade, which just makes it that much more special. Each and every piece and product. Okay, look at this festive card. Super cute. I'm going to take a quick peek on the back. Okay, so what we had was just a little note with some information, and I am going to do my best to link any information that I have down below in the description box. So please check there for more information and, of course, how to get a hold of Chic Sparrow if you're interested in these goodies. Oh my gosh, okay, I really honestly wasn't expecting to see two items, and look at that. We have a brand new sticker. I have never seen this before. I love the artwork. It's beautiful. It's bright. It says Spokane, Washington, home of Chic Sparrow. That is a keeper. We have a lady drinking coffee. There's a bunch of pretty flowers, and she's under the night sky enjoying Spokane. So, oh my gosh, where to start? I smell the leather goods. Oh, this is just so exciting. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna start with the top one here. Okay. Ooh. We have, let's see what we have. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow, look, it's got branding on it. The number 22. Oh, that's so awesome. So it's on the back side, which is funny because that kind of reminds me of like my son's baseball uniform with the number on the back. And also, I'm really funny. I have a lot of favorite numbers. My favorite single digit number is 4, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. But I love double digit numbers like 11, 22, 33. So I like that. I got a 22. Oh, this is just beyond soft. It's supple. It feels like it's just been treated, like a nice coat of lotion has been placed on it or something like that. Look at the coloring. Like, it's like, oh, it's got pull-up. Oh, look at that, look at that. Okay, well, that kind of gives it away to me with the pebbles and the pull-up there. I believe this is Waypoint. And we have, oh my gosh, a Folio. I have never owned a Folio, and I have been wanting one so bad, and I'm very, very excited. And this looks like a B6 Slim Folio. Look at the beautiful stitching. We have these really nice slender pockets. Oh, you know what? It's even finished inside. I just noticed that. Like when you get a traveler's notebook, usually it's the inside is unfinished. This is just as nice, and it's soft and in the pockets as well as it is on the outside. Look at the coloration. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have a book that I can test out in here, so let me grab it real quick. Okay, don't make fun of me. I have a knockoff version of the Midori MD notebook. And yes, I've just recently been getting very into the Japanese stationery. And this one was cheap. I just wanted to test it out. It was sent to me bent, and I haven't used it yet. It's been sitting around. It claims that it is like B6. So, yeah, it looks very similar to the real thing. So if this works, I am probably gonna go invest in one. Oh, also oh gosh, I'm gonna probably pronounce this wrong. Jibun Techo? Oh my gosh, don't make fun of me if I said that totally wrong. But I believe that planner is a B6 Slim as well. Oh, that would be so awesome. Let me see. I have never owned a Folio before. Oh my gosh, it's really like made to fit this. Slips right in. Yep, so this is a B6 Slim. Wow, 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 wow. And you know, I love it because it's not too heavy. The pockets, they work. It just slipped right in there. It just molds, and you even have like a little bit of give, which is lovely. Oh, it's so nice. It's so, so nice. Wow. Wow. I'm in love. I want to pop this in my purse. Oh my gosh. I like really want to use this. You know what? Because this is a knockoff too, it may not even be the perfect size, but wow. I mean, it looks pretty perfect here. So I'm imagining this is pretty close to the real deal. I know I don't have the actual Midori, but oh my gosh. Wow, they did an amazing job. I love the stitching. Can you guys see that? It is a nice neutral color that kind of blends in, but definitely gives it character all the way around. Let me show you the back here where the stamp is. Chic Sparrow, made in the USA. Gorgeous. There's the branding on the back. This is very nice. Super duper. Love it. Love the quality. So, wow, that's a good one. It smells delicious. Okay, we have another goodie off to the side, so I better go ahead and move on. I am so excited. This is a big one, a Mac Daddy. My guess is that it's an A5 by what it feels like. Okay. Oh my gosh. I see this color. It is beautiful. A traveler's notebook. And I am familiar with this leather. In fact, my very first ever owned traveler's notebook was in this leather. This is Creme, which makes this a Huckleberry in the A5. Isn't it beautiful? It is more beautiful in person. I have seen it on their website. I've seen it on Instagram, and I tend to like go with the neutral colors when it comes to my traveler's notebooks, but I love color. And oh my gosh, it's so much more beautiful in person. Look at the color of stitching too. It's a little bit of darker purple. And also, I'm really surprised by how light this feels, like being the creme. And the creme is really neat because it has different like texture variation. Like over here, we have a lot of like bumpiness. And then like over here on this side, it's practically smooth. And it smells delicious. I was not expecting this. Look at the pockets. Look at the pockets. We have cascading pockets. Wow. Oh my goodness. I know that she says that she's always asked about vertical pockets and that she has been working on something, and these are gorgeous. Look at that. And also, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. This is called Cascade Creme in the Huckleberry color 2020. I knew they were going to start stamping their leather goods starting 2020. So wow, I found it. There's the stamp. That's awesome. So you'll know exactly what you have and what year. Beautiful. You know what? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these like slip pockets. And then this pocket here makes me wonder if you had like an A5 size book, which I don't, so I can't test it. This is just like popping into my head randomly. And so maybe I shouldn't even say it, but it's just a thought. I wonder if you could use this part as like kind of a folio if you wanted to. Of course, it would kind of probably cover up the beautiful pockets there, and I wonder what fits. So I'm gonna really quickly go grab some things to pop in the pockets just to test it out. Okay, I just grabbed some things that were really close to me. So I grabbed regular size sticky notes. These ones are by Bic, the typical square. I wanted to see if that fit, and then I have a card. So much for a washi sample, right? But it is card size. I wanted to see how that worked as well. So real quickly, I'm going to, they feel to be about the same depth in all 4. And they look, you go this way, it almost looks like you could put a card this way, but it might be a little bit deep, because if you see me resting the card down here, you have about this much more leather. So it might be better to place a card going in this direction. So that's what it looks like with one card. And yes, you could definitely fit a card this way. And yeah, it will go down though. It'll go down. You could pull it back up, but, or maybe if, I mean, it could stay as well. And then let's try these out. I don't know if they're too big or perfect. Wow, so how much fun would this be to like fill up your pockets, cards, washi samples, all the little tabs and sticky notes or ephemeras, or my mind is just like spinning with ideas on how to use this. I've never had an A5 before. Obviously you have your 4 elastics for notebooks, whatever you want to add, in the beautiful secretarial pocket, which is nice and large. I love the striations, the stripes on mine. Gorgeous. And then of course the newer pin loop, which you could train to kind of curve inwards, so when you close up your book, it will rest nicely along all your inserts and whatnot. And it is beautiful. Wow. This is so fantastic. I love the color more than I thought I ever would. And let me just show you real quick. This is my first ever purchased Chic Sparrow. It's a pocket size. It's a black beauty. That's the color. And it is in creme leather. It's more of a matte feeling leather, although the more you work with it, the smoother it gets. This one's feels a lot smoother. It smells delicious. And actually, it's way lighter than I thought it would feel, too. Like, nice and, yeah, wow. It's not too heavy at all. So, just to show you the thickness up close, hopefully it'll zoom for you. There we go. That's what it looks like, the thickness of the leather there. And then, of course, it does get a little bit thicker when you get along the pockets. Beautiful craftsmanship here. Stitching. I mean, look at these pockets. So much fun. I love it. Look at the stamp. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow, 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 wow. So much fun. I think 2020 is going to be a great year. Already kicking it off with 2 really amazing products here. We have the B6 Slim Folio in Waypoint and the A5 Traveler's Notebook, the Cascade Creme in the Huckleberry color. I hope you're just as excited as I am for these new additions to Chic Sparrow. Let me know if you have like some ideas for a 5 or what else can fit in a B6 Slim. Share down in the comments, and let me know if you want to see more Chic Sparrow related videos. Yes. Thank you for coming and joining me today. I hope that you are fabulous wherever you are in the world. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to come back to see me again. Until next time, I just want to wish you a beautiful day. Bye, my friends.